We went to Zen Zen Japanese Food Hall and Cafe one Sunday morning to try their newest attraction, the Zen Zen Family Farm Experience. This is more than just dining. You actually get to explore their farm, interact with animals, and learn while having fun as a family. Tip lang, make sure busog muna kayo before starting the tour para mas ma-enjoy nyo ang whole experience without your tummy bothering you. You can join the farm tour for 250 pesos per adult or 200 pesos per child, or avail their meal set worth 400 pesos, which already gives you access to the experience. Merong tour guide who will take you to every station inside the farm. The tour starts at their beautiful torii gates, very Japan-inspired, and along the way, you'll notice fruit-bearing trees like this cacao that we were even able to taste fresh from the tree. Our first stop was the Kotori Bird Garden, where we got to feed different kinds of birds. Super enjoyed ito ng son and husband ko. There were also iguanas, and yes, my son was brave enough to hold one. Next, we headed to the Toridori Chicken Village, where we saw different varieties of chickens. They are actually raised here and they're considering selling them soon. May mga photo spots din along the way. By the way, don't forget to apply insect repellent before coming here. After that, we walked to the Churibori Fishing Village. This was my son's first time fishing and he was really excited. You can bring your pets here pala ha, and also may playground sila for kids naman. Our last stop was the Midori Learning Farm, where we learned about organic planting, hydroponics, and aquaponics through hands-on activities. We even got to bring home a pot of pechay or lettuce. Before leaving, you can buy pasalubong na sila mismo yung gumawa, like cookies, jams, and banana chips. And if you're tired, you can relax and enjoy coffee at their beautiful Zen Zen Cafe. Medyo nakakapagod pero worth it. Kids will definitely love this experience. Perfect ito if you want them to learn, explore, and stay away from gadgets for a while. Don't forget to wear comfy outfits. Tagaytay may be cooler than Manila, pero it's not Japan level cold. So enjoy and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!